Alright, today I shall be showing you guys how to put the hot pocket. Here, I'll take y'all with me. Alright, so first you open up the box. And then you take out the hot pocket. With this hot pocket, it says to microwave for... Alright, so you open up your hot pocket. So you have this crisp wrapper or something. You open up the wrapper, then you slide in your hot pocket. Tips from a pro: take a paper towel and put it on top, just in case the hot pocket leaks. All right. Then you go to your microwave, right? You click the open button. It opens. And then you place your hot pocket. Don't place it in the middle because that's not how microwaves work. Put it somewhere on the sides-ish. Then you close your microwave. You click 2 minutes, or in this case 200, and you start. Now we sit here. Actually, you probably shouldn't sit near microwaves. Y'all can watch your microwave. Alright, so the microwave finished. Now you open up your microwave again, as stated earlier, as shown earlier, and then you have your hot pocket. So it's gonna be a little hot right now. Probably wait at least a minute, but we're kind of close on time. So you take it, and this end that's curved, you push the hot pocket up a bit so it's past it. Then you fold it down, and fold the other part down, and tuck it into the pocket. And now you have a little wrapper for your hot pocket. Enjoy.